Inventory Procedures, Interbranch Transfers. Open the Springboard menu. Select Inventory. Within the Inventory section, select Transfers. You will be directed to the transfer page. On the right-hand side of the screen, click on the plus icon. After clicking the plus icon, you will be directed to select a transfer template. Select the appropriate template. Your selected template will open. Enter the quantity of stock that you are requesting. Click on Node Selection, located on the right-hand side of your screen. When you click on Node Selection, specify the sender node, the store you are requesting stock from, and receiver node, your node. Use the drop-down arrow to select your sender node and receiver node respectively. Once done, click Submit. Your transfer now contains sending and receiving node information. Click on the tick icon to save. Finally, click the double tick icon to dispatch your request. Your request is now sent to the node you requested stock from, sender node, and is awaiting approval. Dispatching, click on the pen icon to open the transfer request that you received. The transfer request will open. Then, click the double arrow icon to dispatch the transfer. The system will prompt for a location, front stock or back stock. Click on the drop-down arrow to select the appropriate location. Once you've selected the location, the stock has now been dispatched to the receiver. To complete the transfer process, follow these steps. To finalize the transfer after receiving the dispatch stock, click on the pen icon. The transfer will open. Once you have physically received the dispatched stock, you can finalize the transfer by clicking on the double tick icon. This indicates that the stock has been delivered to you and has now been added to your node's stock. You will be prompted to select a location. Use the drop-down arrow to select either front stock or back stock. After selecting the location, you will then be prompted to choose shift details. Upon completing the necessary details, you will receive an Excel report of the transfer